Welcome. In today's video, we're covering a handy feature on Discord that allows you to mark messages as unread. This can help you keep track of important messages you want to revisit later. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't done this already, it's a quick process. Just find the Discord icon and tap to launch it. Next, navigate to the specific message you want to mark as unread. This could be in a direct message or in a channel where you've been chatting. Take your time to find the right message, as this step is crucial for keeping your notifications organized. Once you've located your desired message, simply tap and hold it. Doing this will bring up a menu of options related to that message. So, keep holding until you see what you need. Now, look for the option that says Mark Unread. It should be listed in that menu. Tap on it, and you're almost there. The final step is to confirm your choice. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to mark the message as unread. Just tap Yes to finalize your action, and voila! Your message is now marked as unread, and it will appear highlighted in your chat, reminding you to check it later, and that's it. You've successfully marked a message as unread on Discord. This simple feature can make a big difference in how you manage your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.